Do you use Premiere Pro? Do you cut and trim videos in Premiere Pro? I think you should be cutting and trimming in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to show you how to do it quick and easy. The first thing you should know is the keyboard shortcut for cutting, and that is the letter C. So every time that you want to cut, you just press the letter C and then you click wherever you want. When you press V, you go back to the selection tool, which is the default tool in Premiere Pro. So switching back and forth between C and V is the way to go. Another cool thing that saves us a lot of time is the Q and W keys. And what they do is they cut the beginning or the end of the clip, respectively. So click on whatever point you want to trim your clip, then press Q and you will see that everything on the left will be trimmed and also glued to the rest of the timeline, which is great. If you press W, you will see that everything on the right of the clip will be trimmed and also glued to the rest of the timeline. If you find this useful, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you next time.